What if the very foods you're eating are silently weakening the scaffolding that holds your skin, joints, and body together? It's not just about wrinkles or feeling older. It's about a fundamental protein that begins fading when we hit our 40s, leaving us less resilient. However, there is a natural dietary path to supporting it, and it starts with three specific foods most pantries are missing. We've all seen the creams, the serums, and the expensive treatments. They target the surface, but real structural change happens from within. Your body's collagen network is the essential framework for your skin's bounce, your joints' cushion, and your tissues' repair speed. When it diminishes, everything feels looser, slower, and achier. This isn't an inevitable surrender. Nutritional science points to specific whole grains that deliver the precise compounds your body uses to rebuild and protect this essential matrix. They're packed with the necessary amino acids, critical minerals, and protective antioxidants that act as your internal repair crew. The best part is you don't need a complicated regimen. You just need to know which ones truly matter. And the first one is so powerful because it provides something most plants cannot. Grain 1. Quinoa, the complete protein. Number 1 is quinoa. This isn't just a trendy side dish. It's a complete protein source, a rarity in the plant kingdom. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body must get from food. Think of these amino acids as the individual bricks needed to construct a building. For your collagen framework, 3 bricks are absolutely critical: glycine, proline, and lysine. Without a steady supply of these, your body's production line for collagen slows down dramatically. The result is skin that loses its firm grip, joints that get creakier, and small injuries that linger. Quinoa delivers these building blocks directly, but its support goes deeper. It's also rich in magnesium and zinc. Magnesium is like the foreman on the construction site, organizing the protein synthesis process. Zinc is the repair specialist, crucial for healing tissues and supporting a robust immune response. Furthermore, quinoa's antioxidants serve as a protective shield, defending your existing collagen fibers from the daily damage of stress and environment. Including it is simple. A half-cup cooked serving, a few times a week, is a fantastic start. Try it as a breakfast porridge with citrus fruits. The vitamin C boosts collagen assembly. Use it as a base for a lunchtime power bowl or as a hearty dinner side. This isn't a temporary fix. It's a foundational food that quietly reinforces your body's architecture with every bite. Feed your framework, don't just cover the cracks. Grain 2. Millet, the mineral powerhouse. Now, the second grain is the mineral powerhouse. While quinoa provides the bricks, this grain supplies the mortar and the tools that bind everything together. Number 2 is millet. This humble, ancient grain is a treasure trove of minerals that are quietly depleted as we age, specifically magnesium, zinc, and one that's absolutely fascinating: copper. Copper plays a starring role in forming the crosslinks within collagen fibers. These are the tiny bridges that give your connective tissues their strength and snap. Without adequate copper, collagen can become fragile, leading to less supple skin and less stable joints. The magnesium and zinc from millet further support the enzymatic processes that keep this collagen structure stable and sound. The gap left by these mineral deficiencies accelerates aging in ways you can't see until you suddenly feel it. Millet fills that gap. It's a direct food-based investment in the integrity of your body's support system. Using it is effortless. Cook it like you would rice until it's soft and fluffy. A similar half-cup portion several times a week builds benefits over time. Enjoy it as a warm, cinnamon-kissed breakfast cereal. Let it be the base of a vibrant, crunchy salad for lunch or a comforting pilaf at dinner. This isn't a chore. It has a choice to supply your body with the raw materials it is asking for to maintain its strength from the inside out. Grain 3, buckwheat. But what about protection? What if you're building new collagen, but the old framework is crumbling too fast? That's where our third, most surprising grain comes in. Number 3 is buckwheat. Despite its name, it's not a wheat at all, and it holds a unique superpower for collagen defense. Its secret weapon is a flavonoid called rutin. Rutin specializes in reinforcing your microcapillaries, the tiny blood vessels that deliver nutrients, and oxygen to the very layers of your skin where collagen lives and works. As circulation naturally becomes less efficient, this nutrient delivery slows. Buckwheat's rutin helps optimize it, ensuring the building blocks from quinoa and the minerals from millet actually reach their destination. More than that, Rutin acts as a guardian, shielding your existing collagen fibers from oxidative damage that causes breakdown. So, buckwheat offers a dual action. It enhances the delivery system for repair and actively protects the structure itself. This is how you create durability. Incorporate buckwheat through its groats or its flour. A few servings weekly can make a measurable difference. Start your day with buckwheat porridge. Use the flour for nourishing pancakes or baking. Toss cooked groats into a stir-fry or a salad for dinner. It's a gentle, gluten-free food that supports your body's resilience in a profound way. True resilience is built at the cellular level, not the surface. The synergistic strategy. Now, how do these three work as a team? This is where the strategy comes alive. You don't need to eat all three at every meal. Think of it as supporting your body's rhythm throughout the day. Start your morning with quinoa, paired with vitamin C-rich berries, to kickstart the synthesis process when your body is primed for repair. At lunch, incorporate millet to supply those crucial minerals while your energy and metabolic processes are active. In the evening, introduce buckwheat. Its protective compounds can work overnight during your body's deep recovery and maintenance phase. This synergistic approach provides a continuous supply of construction materials, binding agents, and protective shielding for your collagen matrix. The results aren't instant, but they are foundational. Within weeks, many notice skin feeling more supported and joints moving more freely. Over consistent months, the changes become more visible: a firmer complexion, stronger nails, and a renewed sense of underlying vitality. Conclusion: remember, perfection isn't required, consistency is. This is a gentle, sustainable partnership with your body. You're honoring its natural ability to heal and maintain itself when given the right resources. If this approach resonates with you, please show your support. A like on this video tells the YouTube algorithm that this kind of in-depth natural health guidance is valuable, and it helps our channel, Healthy Lifestyle, reach more people who need it. Consider subscribing for more science-backed strategies to feel your best at any age. What's one small, consistent change you can make this week? Could it be trying one of these grains? Your body's future resilience will thank you for the investment you start today.